Picture this. You drive your brand new SUV off the dealer lot, feeling like $1,000,000. That new car smell fills the cabin, the leather is pristine, and every feature works perfectly. Fast forward 3 years, and that $60,000 pride and joy is now worth less than a used Honda Civic. Ouch! Here's the truth the salesman conveniently forgot to mention during your test drive. Some SUVs don't just lose value. They actively destroy wealth faster than a Vegas casino. We're talking about vehicles that drain thousands of dollars per month, turning your automotive dream into a financial nightmare. Today, we're counting down the 10 SUVs with the most catastrophic depreciation rates on the market. From luxury brands that can't hold their value to mainstream models that disappoint their owners, these are the vehicles where your money goes to die. Buckle up. This is going to hurt your wallet just watching it. 10. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas, German engineering, American-style depreciation. Starting our countdown is Volkswagen's family-sized attempt at conquering America, the Atlas. This 3-row SUV looks solid on paper with spacious interior, decent tech, and that VW badge that's supposed to mean quality. The reality? It loses value faster than you can say, Das Auto. The Atlas suffers from a perfect storm of value destruction. VW's reliability reputation in America is mediocre at best, scaring away used buyers who remember their uncle's problematic Passat. The brand sits in automotive no man's land. Too expensive to be mainstream, not prestigious enough to be luxury. Electrical gremlins and transmission issues create buyer anxiety, while the Atlas competes in America's most cutthroat segment, where Toyota and Honda dominate with proven dependability. When shoppers can get a more reliable Pilot or Highlander for similar money, the Atlas struggles. In 3 years, expect to lose 45 to 50% of your investment. That's over $20,000 vanishing on a $45,000 SUV. 9. The 2025 Nissan Armada, full-size, full-bore value loss. Claiming 9th position is Nissan's redesigned full-size SUV, the 2025 Armada. After years of stagnation, Nissan completely overhauled their flagship with a new twin-turbo V6 engine, modern styling, and updated technology. Sounds promising, right? Unfortunately, no amount of refreshing can overcome Nissan's damaged brand reputation and the Armada's depreciation disaster. The new Armada replaces its outdated V8 with a 425-horsepower twin-turbo, 3.5-liter V6 borrowed from the Infiniti QX60, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The interior finally feels modern with updated tech and better materials. But here's the problem. Nissan's reliability reputation has cratered in recent years, and used buyers remember the CVT transmission disasters and quality control nightmares. The brand sits near the bottom of dependability rankings, creating massive anxiety in the secondary market. Body-on-frame SUVs also face limited appeal. Most buyers prefer car-based crossovers with better ride quality and fuel economy. Lose 50 to 55% in 3 years, turning that $65,000 investment into $30,000 faster than you can say, should have bought a Tahoe. 8. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler, the off-road icon that off-roads your wallet. Here's where things get controversial. The Wrangler is an American icon, a vehicle that can climb mountains and ford rivers. It's also a depreciation disaster that proves capability doesn't equal value retention. Wrangler owners love to tell you about the vehicle's legendary resale values, and they're half right. Wranglers used to hold value exceptionally well. But Jeep's dramatic increase in production volume combined with reliability issues has destroyed that advantage. Consumer Reports gives it a 2 out of 5 for reliability, with owners reporting constant electrical problems. Most buyers also discover that daily driving a Wrangler is miserable. Wind noise, poor ride quality, and terrible fuel economy make every commute feel like punishment. The market is now flooded with used Wranglers as Jeep sold record numbers, tanking resale values. Add in high insurance, maintenance, and modification costs, and used buyers get scared off. 3-year depreciation hits 40 to 45%, which is shocking for a vehicle with cult-like following. That $48,000 Wrangler becomes $26,000. You've paid $22,000 for the privilege of being uncomfortable. 7. The 2025 Infiniti QX60, the luxury pretender. Sliding into 7th place is Infiniti's 3-row luxury SUV that can't decide if it's premium transportation or fancy Nissan, the QX60. This identity crisis manifests in depreciation rates that nobody wants to talk about. The QX60 offers genuine luxury features like quilted leather, advanced safety tech, and a smooth V6 engine. The problem? Infiniti struggles with brand perception in the luxury market. Despite offering competitive features, the brand lacks the recognition and prestige of established luxury nameplates. Limited dealer service centers mean inconvenience for used buyers. Buyers paying luxury prices want prestigious badges like Mercedes or BMW, not question marks. Everyone knows the QX60 is basically a fancy Pathfinder, killing any prestige pricing power. Expect 50 to 53% depreciation over 3 years. Your $50,000 investment becomes $24,000, proving that fake luxury depreciates faster than real luxury and costs more than mainstream alternatives. 6. The 2025 GMC Yukon Denali, the American luxury illusion. Claiming 6th position is Detroit's attempt at accessible luxury, the GMC Yukon Denali. This massive SUV delivers genuine premium experiences at prices below German competitors. Unfortunately, the market punishes accessible luxury with depreciation rates that make it distinctly unluxurious. The Yukon Denali looks the part with chrome everywhere, plush interior, and powerful V8 engine. It drives like a luxury SUV should, with smooth ride quality and effortless power. But luxury isn't just about capability, it's about perception. And GMC lacks the prestige to command strong resale values. The brand competes with Cadillac, Mercedes, and BMW while lacking equivalent status in buyers' minds. V8 thirst creates anxiety among used buyers facing fluctuating gas prices, while GM's infotainment systems become dated quickly, making older models feel ancient. The Yukon also fights its own corporate cousin, the Cadillac Escalade, along with established luxury rivals. 3-year depreciation hits 48 to 52%, translating to roughly $35,000 lost on a $70,000 vehicle. You're paying premium prices for mainstream resale values, the worst of both worlds. 5. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator, the renaissance that forgot resale. Securing 5th place is America's most successful luxury comeback story that somehow forgot the financial part. The Lincoln Navigator. This SUV rescued Lincoln from irrelevance and proved American luxury could compete with German giants. It just couldn't convince buyers to pay for it on the used market. Lincoln transformed the Navigator from laughingstock to legitimate luxury contender. The twin-turbo V6 delivers effortless power. The interior rivals anything from Germany, and the ride quality is serene. By any objective measure, this is a genuine luxury SUV that deserves respect. But the Navigator faces an impossible challenge. Lincoln's brand doesn't command luxury prestige like Mercedes or BMW. Outside America, Lincoln barely registers, while inside America it struggles with outdated perceptions. Fewer luxury-focused service centers than German competitors add inconvenience for used buyers, and the market remembers Lincoln's troubled years, creating lingering doubt. The Navigator sits awkwardly positioned, too expensive to compete with Tahoe, not prestigious enough to match Germans. 3-year depreciation exceeds 50 to 55%, meaning your $85,000 Navigator becomes $40,000. That's $45,000 evaporated for choosing American luxury over German prestige. If this countdown is making you reconsider your automotive choices, hit that subscribe button right now. We're diving into the top 4, where depreciation gets so bad it should require warning labels. Your wallet will thank you for watching this. 4. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS, the 3-pointed star of depreciation. Claiming 4th position is Stuttgart's flagship family hauler that proves even German prestige can't overcome depreciation physics. the Mercedes-Benz GLS. This should be the ultimate luxury SUV. Three-pointed star badge, meticulous engineering, technology that rivals spacecraft. Instead, it's a cautionary tale about complexity costs. The GLS embodies everything we expect from Mercedes with impeccable build quality, advanced technology, and that indefinable German solidity. Multiple powertrains range from efficient inline-six to potent V8 options, while the interior blends traditional luxury with cutting-edge screens. On paper, it's perfect. But here's what Mercedes won't tell you. Complexity kills resale values. The GLS packs so much technology: air suspension, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, 48-volt electrical systems, advanced driver aids, that used buyers get terrified thinking about repair costs after warranty expiration. RepairPal ranks Mercedes 27th out of 32 brands, while annual maintenance averages $908, nearly double mainstream brands. Advanced systems become outdated quickly, making 3-year-old models feel ancient, and independent shops struggle with Mercedes diagnostics, forcing expensive dealer service. 3-year value loss hits 52 to 56%, translating to $50,000 plus vanishing on a $95,000 GLS. You're paying for German engineering twice, once when buying, again when selling. 3. The 2025 BMW X7, the ultimate depreciating machine. Securing the bronze medal of depreciation is Bavaria's most ambitious SUV, the BMW X7. This vehicle should represent ultimate driving machine philosophy scaled to luxury family hauling. Instead, it demonstrates that even automotive excellence cannot overcome depreciation gravity. The X7 represents BMW at peak ambition, with powerful engines ranging from efficient 6-cylinders to earth-moving V8 engines, technology rivaling spacecraft, and interior luxury challenging Bentley. The latest generation introduces controversial styling and autonomous capabilities, positioning it at the luxury SUV forefront. But market reality proves mercilessly unforgiving. The X7's high MSRP creates enormous depreciation margin both relatively and absolutely. Those massive kidney grills polarize opinions, limiting the buyer pool and aging poorly, while excessive technology intimidates buyers and promises expensive repairs. The X7 sits awkwardly positioned, neither sporty enough for enthusiasts nor comfortable enough for chauffeur duty. American brands now offer equivalent luxury at better value, intensifying competition. 3-year depreciation exceeds 53 to 57%, meaning $55,000 plus lost on a $98,000 times 7. That's a Honda CR-V worth of value vanishing annually. The ultimate driving machine becomes the ultimate wealth-destroying machine. 2. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade ESV, the icon that costs you. Claiming our penultimate position is America's most recognizable luxury SUV and cultural icon, the Cadillac Escalade ESV. This vehicle transcends transportation to become pop culture phenomenon, appearing in music videos and celebrity driveways. Fame, however, provides zero protection against depreciation mathematics. The Escalade ESV represents automotive Americana at maximum volume with massive proportions, bold styling, and undeniable presence creating instant recognition. The latest generation features GM's most advanced technology, including OLED displays and sophisticated suspension delivering surprising refinement despite imposing size. But market data reveals brutal truths. The Escalade ESV loses 62.9% of original value after 5 years. Roughly $57,000 evaporated. 3-year figures are equally devastating, with depreciation exceeding 55 to 58%. GM prioritized flashy screens over fundamental luxury execution, with notable quality drops below the beltline and toward the third row. American luxury fights an uphill battle against established European prestige, while high production volumes destroy exclusivity and resale pricing. Your $95,000 Escalade ESV becomes $40,000 in 3 years. That's $55,000 lost for the privilege of looking famous, proving that Instagram clout doesn't pay repair bills. 1. The 2025 Land Rover Range Rover, the aristocrat of automotive financial ruin. Claiming the most dubious honor in automotive depreciation is British luxury at its most catastrophic, the Land Rover Range Rover. This vehicle represents everything a luxury SUV should be: unmatched capability, aristocratic luxury, pioneering technology. It also represents everything automotive depreciation can become: a financial apocalypse on wheels. The Range Rover exists as automotive royalty, combining genuine off-road prowess with Bentley rivaling luxury. Sophisticated air suspension adapts supernaturally to terrain, while interior materials justify six-figure pricing. Multiple powertrains, from efficient hybrids to supercharged V8s, deliver performance-matching prestigious positioning. But Land Rover's flagship faces the segment's most brutal depreciation mathematics. RepairPal ranks Land Rover 31st out of 32 brands, second worst in the industry. According to Kelley Blue Book, a 2022 Range Rover plummeted 53% in just 3 years, representing approximately $59,000 vaporized. Historical quality issues create catastrophic used buyer anxiety, while sophisticated systems require specialized service independent shops cannot provide. Expensive components and diagnostic equipment create repair nightmares, and advanced air suspension ages expensively. Lose 54 to 58% in 3 years, translating to $60,000 plus vanishing on a $110,000 Range Rover. The Range Rover delivers experiences no rival can match, but at costs that make luxury competitors look financially responsible. There you have it. 10 SUVs that prove expensive doesn't mean valuable, and luxury definitely doesn't guarantee resale values. From German engineering marvels to British aristocracy, American icons to Japanese luxury pretenders, these vehicles demonstrate that depreciation respects no badges, borders, or price tags. The wisdom isn't avoiding these SUVs entirely. It's understanding the true cost of ownership and making informed decisions. Want a Range Rover? Lease it. Crave an Escalade? Buy it 3 years used. Need an X7? Let someone else take the depreciation hit first. Which of these depreciation disasters shocked you most? Have you owned one of these wealth destroyers? Drop your horror stories in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more automotive financial reality. And remember, in the world of SUVs, the biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong vehicle. It's ignoring what it'll cost you 3 years later.